design for us has become extremely important because it's really about engaging, with your customers. I want to divert very briefly because I was at a predictions event, the Deloitte predictions event yesterday, and it's quite interesting because they look at emerging technologies and emerging themes, and yet there's still some things that we do like cinema and books which continue to drive very, very significant revenue for the for the owners of those businesses. And one of the things that we talked about as part of the predictions event yesterday was why does this happen? And in cinema, if you think about it, the reasons why we're attracted to go to cinema is because we can have a really interactive and personalized experience whenever we watch a film. You go to cinema, there's hundreds of people around you, but you never even realize that those people are around you. So, for me, technology now, if we turn to the sort of technology side of it, the same way as a movie maker cuts and redoes, we're sort of seeing that similar principle coming through in design. So the idea of building monolithic applications that take months to deliver really aren't there anymore. We use a process called design thinking. It's very, very much around iterative design, testing it with the users, and then most importantly, you've got to design to make sure that you have a consistent look and feel and a consistent consumer experience or customer experience across whatever channel your customers touch the organization. So that's extremely important. It's no use having a great web interaction if you get stuck somewhere on the web. Maybe it's not a great interaction, but then if you call a call center and it's a terrible experience, I always say to people, the last experience you have is the kind of one that you want again and again, and then the bar gets set higher. So we feel that design is extremely important, but more so from a customer experience point of view. It's one of the reasons why some of the equipment manufacturers, Apple's a good example. I think Samsung's making great headway in this area. Their products look good. They're easy to use. They're easy to interface with. These are all really critical elements of business success that we see. My role encompasses Middle East and Africa as an area, and in conjunction with the Chamber of Commerce in Dubai, they're using some of the IBM platforms and tools to encourage entrepreneurs. And so we've put up a cloud platform, and one of the first iteratives of that is we've designed an art studio using applications born on the cloud, deployed over the cloud, where graphic artists and that can come and build their work online and effectively deploy that as visual and graphic images on the web, literally at the click of a button. So it's really taking the kind of old school and merging technology and starting the context of a digital experience. So that's pretty cool, and we're seeing lots of other examples around the region and here in South Africa of people doing similar things. So exciting times. I think it's the technology's there for people to experiment with it now. And I think we'll see the emergence of business winners, the people that really use the technology to bring that great customer experience using this iterative design process.